Good morning, everybody. I've got some stuff here to show you. So let's get right down to it. These are items that I've purchased that I need. So let's see what we got in here. Oh, I've got a situation where I have a pool robot and a plug and the box is out of connections, okay? So I bought this high quality KUNCAN splitter, and let me just show you what it is. I'll plug this into my box, and then I'll have two extra connections, one for whatever I have there now, and then the other one for my pool robot to charge it up. So this is going to work out perfectly. I don't have a whole lot to say about this unboxing. It's basically taken it out of a package, but I'll show you. If you want to see the package, this is what it looks like and what it says. Kind of brief. You can even scan that if you choose to. It says it's 100% tested, made in China, but what really isn't these days. It's got a 1.5-year warranty and 7x24 friendly after sales service. Well, I'm not going to really put too much in that, but here's the model number if you want to check it out. Other than that, I will be putting this to good use. Thanks for watching.